Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Loving Life Freely here on YouTube. I am a full-time reseller on different places such as eBay, Poshmark, still down a little bit Mercari, and whatnot. I would love to welcome you to do an unboxing with me through Untamed Threads. So if you are anxious to see what came in this men's box, please do stay tuned. We're going to dive right in. Okay, you guys, if you have just stumbled onto a first video on my channel, I would love to say welcome to you. If you are returning, thank you so much for checking out this video. It's been a while since I've been on here, I've been a little bit MIA, but it's not because anything has changed with me. I'm still reselling, but a lot has changed for me. And I'm going to be doing a video on that, you guys. I'm just going to kind of give you a little bit of a life update. And tell you how my business has changed, what I'm doing now, how I'm doing it. So do stay tuned for that. There is a video coming. I'm still working with my other channel as well, Daily Healthy Living, where I'm trying to do a little bit of that too. So I'm trying to put everything in the mix as well as being a reseller. It's been a lot, but you know what? We're working on it. Let's dive into this box, you guys. I always get such great stuff from Untamed Thread. If you haven't yet, please do check out her page. I will leave her link below, and you can feel free to go check out her box. She does men's and women's pieces, and the cog is less than $5 a piece, you guys. Such great quality, and anytime you have if there's any piece, like if something got missed in the clothing, you just notify her right away on Instagram, and she has been the best customer service to me. I'm serious. Within hours, if not even a day, within hours, she responds to me. She rectifies the situation. We talk about it if we need to. And she just redeems the situation, you guys. 100% the best customer service. So, let's dive in and see what she sent me. Let's see what we got this time. And guys, just to let you know, I'm going to be doing men's auctions on Whatnot. So if you have men in your life, do feel free to check out my Whatnot. It is Loving Life Freely. I'm doing kids shows, and I'm going to be doing sporadic men's shows. I'm doing morning and evening shows, so feel free to check that out. All right, we have some Adriana Goldschmidt. Oh my goodness, you guys, AG in men's. This is fantastic. These are corduroy too. Corduroy is making a comeback for sure. Adriana Goldschmidt. These are an Everett Slim Straight. Fantastic. Untamed Thread, you rock, girl. All right, let's dive in. This particular box is a 16-piece box. Normally they're 15, but she had 16 pieces, so she just incorporated all. We agreed on a box price, and we just did that because it was 16 pieces. Okay, Jose Banks, extra large. Great spring-summer shirt. Fantastic spring-summer shirt, you guys. Yeah, this is great. And I love, it's a gingham fabric too, which is pretty cool. You don't typically see a lot of men's in gingham. Okay, of course I start talking in a video. Anytime I do a video or a live, my throat gets dry right away. Okay, Tommy jeans, a size large. Some great pants. Guys, I can't tell you, I do so well with men's clothes. And I'm really excited. I was doing some men's auctions a couple months ago. I should have continued with it. I'm going to get back to it. I do well with men's clothes on auction and on my different sites, guys. I do even better, I think, in men's clothes than I do in women's. I'm still selling women's because I still have some pieces. But I don't know what it is about men's clothes. They just do well for me. All right, Peregrine. These are some great golf shorts. Really great golf shorts. They have like the sticky here so it doesn't slide around. And yeah, I'm excited to get these going. Very cool piece. Okay, it looks like we have some more shorts. Old Navy, brand new with tags, you guys. Brand new with tag shorts, you guys. Khakis, a size 40. Perfect. Yeah, this is awesome, you guys. I'm already selling quite a few shorts. I've been selling dresses. More shorts. I love it. I love it. Hurley. More shorts, you guys. These could even be swim shorts if you wanted. Fantastic. Okay, what is this? Michael Kors, no iron. Now, you guys, a lot of events go on during the spring and summer season, especially summertime. So maybe you're attending a wedding or a special get-together, maybe some sort of family thing, or you're doing pictures for Christmas. Lots of men are always looking for white shirts. This is a great time of the year to be selling white shirts so that they have the solid base with the suit or, you know, if they're just doing a shirt and tie or something like that for an event, this is a great time of the year to be selling white shirts. Here's another Michael Kors. This is a nice striped one. Just great quality. There's that one. We have some dress slacks here. I don't know why it is, but I even sell dress slacks. I've sold dress slacks for men on eBay. I don't know what it is, but dress slacks do well for me. I don't sell a ton of them, but they do sell. This one is brand new with tags too. Size 36, guys. Brand new with tags. Great condition, great workwear. Awesome pick. All right, what do we have here? Some more shorts. Yay. The North Face, you guys. Size 38. And these have some mesh. They have a cargo. Really great shorts, you guys. Super excited to get those going. Another Josie Banks shirt. This one is a size large, tailored fit, cotton. Great colorway for spring and summer, you guys. Great colorway. These will be in auction first before I list them. So if you are interested in any of these pieces or want to check out the men's show, I'm doing one tonight, and this won't, no, tomorrow night, and this won't post before then. But I'm going to be doing more too, guys. So I might be doing a men's show next week. So do go give me a follow, as well as doing the kids shows. Brooks Brothers. This is 100% merino wool, guys. Size large. I've still been selling sweaters, guys. We're in the middle of spring, and I'm still selling sweaters. So 100% I will be listing that. And that will go in the show first, too. All these will be in the show first. Izod. Size 15, 15 and a half. Really nice blue colorway. Great for springtime. Some men have to wear like the, you know, if you work in business and you have to wear like the nice slacks with the shirt. Sometimes men prefer to wear the longer sleeves. Okay, Tommy Bahama. This is size large. I thought so. It's 100% silk. It just felt different. 100% silk Tommy Bahama. Alrighty. Couple more pieces here. All right. Cubavira. This is a great peach colorway. Great peach colorway. Love this. Such a perfect color for spring and summer. And then the last piece, one more piece. Perfect. Gap Flex. So some men's Gap jeans. Gap Flex. Very good. I love it. All right. And she's never off on the number, but I'll double check anyway. Yeah, 16 pieces. Perfect. Thank you so much on Team Thread. I appreciate it. Guys, again, I will link her information below. If you want to go check out her women's boxes too. It really depends on when she gets the stories and when she posts. So you just have to kind of keep checking back in and seeing if she's posted or not. If you have any questions, you can reach out to her on Instagram. She messages very quickly, like I said. And guys, do stay tuned for a video coming. I'll probably record it today. Just giving you guys an update on what is going on with me, what has changed, and all the up and comings. Guys, thank you so much for being here and joining me in this men's unboxing. I really appreciate it. Guys, we'll see you next time. Take care, and as always, be productive.